In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watch list on MetaTrader 5. Creating a watch list is a fantastic way to streamline your trading experience by allowing you to easily monitor your preferred financial instruments. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, having a well-curated list can help you keep track of potential opportunities and make more informed trading decisions. Let's dive into the process step by step. To start, you'll want to ensure that your MetaTrader 5 platform is open and running smoothly. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Market Watch window, which is typically located on the left side of the trading interface. This panel is crucial as it displays all the market instruments available for trading. If, for some reason, you can't see the Market Watch window, you can activate it by going to the View menu and selecting Market Watch. Now, with the Market Watch window visible, you'll want to right-click anywhere within this window. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. From these, select Symbols. Clicking on Symbols is a key step, as this will open a new window displaying all the available trading instruments categorized under different asset classes. You'll notice that these instruments are organized into various categories like forex, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, among others. Take your time to browse through these categories. If you're already familiar with the group or asset class of the instrument you wish to add to your watch list, expand that particular group by clicking the small plus icon next to it. This action will unveil all the symbols available within that category. Once you've identified the instrument you're interested in, select it by clicking on its name. If you want to add multiple symbols to your watch list, simply repeat this process for each one. Remember, selecting the right instruments that align with your trading strategy is vital. After you've selected your desired symbols, look towards the bottom of the Symbols window for the Show Symbol button. Clicking this will add your selected instruments to the Market Watch list, allowing you to see real-time price updates and information effortlessly. Before concluding, make sure to click OK to finalize your choices. This step saves your newly customized watch list and closes the Symbols window, bringing you back to the main trading interface. Now, your Market Watch window should display the instruments you've just added. As a final tip, keep in mind that you can manage and customize this watch list whenever your trading strategies or interests evolve. In a dynamic market environment, having a flexible watch list is beneficial, as it can quickly adapt to suit your trading needs and preferences.